Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn PEMDAS, order of operations with some examples. PEMDAS, P for parenthesis, E exponents, M multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. So if any of the question or expression, if you have more than one operations, this is the order we should follow to get the correct answer. Let's do some examples. Example 1. This is the question. 5 times 3 minus 5 plus 3. What comes first in the order? Multiplication. So among multiplication, subtraction, addition, we have to do multiplication first. 5 3s are 15. Minus 5 plus 3. Repeat the other numbers and other operations. Step 2. Now we have to do subtraction, because as we have already seen, we have to go from left to right. It can be anything, plus or minus, doesn't matter. Both take the same rank. You can go for left to right. Go from left to right. So 15 minus 5, 10 plus 3. We will do addition, that is the last operation, 13. So 13 is the final answer for this question. Next question. Here you can see some difference. It is the same question, but there is a bracket in between these two numbers. See, 5 times 3 minus 5 inside the brackets plus 3. So same number, same operation, but we will get a different answer because of the parenthesis or brackets. So according to PEMDAS, first we will do parenthesis. So what is 3 minus 5? Negative 2. 5 times negative 2 plus 3. This is because of the reason, two different signs. Take away the smaller from the larger and keep the sign of the larger number. That's why negative 2. Now multiplication and plus addition, we will do multiplication. 5 2s are 10. As it is negative, different signs, negative answer. That is why negative 10 plus 3. Now we will do addition. So larger number 10, that is why after subtracting, keep the larger number sign, which is negative. The final answer is negative 7. So because of this parenthesis, the final answer completely changed. I hope you're following the order. Let's look at one more example with exponents, parentheses and many more operations. In this case, 4 squared plus 3 times 5 divides 5 minus 3 plus 5. So what we have to do? PEMDAS, P first, parenthesis first. First we will do parenthesis. Now repeat the other numbers as it is. 4 squared plus 3 times 5 divided by 5 minus, finish the brackets, 3 plus 5, 8. Now plus times division minus. So what you have to do? You have to do exponents next, because PEMDAS, P-E. So exponents, 4 squared, 16. 16 plus 3 times 5 divided by 5 minus 8. Now what next? Now we will do multiplication, left to right. Multiplication comes before division. So let's finish multiplication next. 16 plus 3 5s are 15 divided by 5 minus 8. Now the three operations, among the three, plus division minus, we have to go for division obviously. 16 plus 15 divided by 5 is 3 minus 8. Now we will do addition and subtraction. Can be anything, but left to right should be better. That's why 16 plus 3, 19. 19 minus 8, 11. So 11 is the final answer after following the correct order. If you go some other order other than this, you will obviously get the wrong answer. So be very careful and follow PEMDAS correctly. We are going to practice some questions now. Question number 1. Solve. 2 square plus 1 the whole square plus 2 divided by 3 minus 4. So whenever you see nested parenthesis, many parentheses, you will have to start from the innermost brackets. So this is the innermost and then this comes. So finish this bracket first. 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1, 5, the whole square. So I will directly write 5 square 25. So let me write 25 here directly. Let me repeat. 4 squared is 4. 2 squared is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 squared is 25. Now 2. We finish the innermost brackets. Divided by 3 minus 4. Now the next step. We have to finish this braces. This brackets next. 25 plus 2. 27. Divided by 3 minus 4. Now what next? Obviously division. So what is 27 divided by 3? 9. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 minus 4. Finally subtraction 5. So this is the final answer for the given question using PEMDAS. I hope you understand this question. Let's do next question. Question number 2. 6 squared minus 3 squared minus 2 brackets divided by brackets again 3 squared plus 4 squared bracket close minus 1. So here it is not nested but separate parenthesis. Let's finish one by one. We can do this brackets first. Equal 6 squared 36 minus 3 squared 9 minus 2 divided by, I can do the next bracket simultaneously because inside the brackets I am finishing the exponents because PEMDAS, E for exponent. Now same manner finish the exponents here as well. 3 squared 9, 4 squared 16. Now let's simplify. Inside the first brackets both subtraction. So you can do the first subtraction left to right. 36 minus 9 equals 27. 27 minus 2 will give you 25. Divided by 9 plus 16, 25. Minus 1, it's already there. Now what next? Division and subtraction. We will have to finish the division next. So now divide 25 divided by 25. Divide 25 by 25 which will give you 1. Take away 1. 0 is the final answer. I hope you understand. Isn't it that simple using PEMDAS? Let's look at one more example to make you understand completely. Question number 3. We do have exponents, brackets, all other operations too. So what should be done first? Let's finish the brackets, PEMDAS, parenthesis first. Let me repeat all other numbers and operations in the second step. Plus. Now 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Now we will have to do multiplication next because PEMDAS. Multiplication left and also by the rule left to right we have to do the multiplication. 5 4s are 20 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 6. Now division next. Before addition 20 divided by 2, 10 plus 1 plus 6. All of them addition you can do at a time. No issues. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. So 17 is the final answer. Okay. Would you like to do one more? Let's do one last question. Question number 4. Solve brackets 105 divided by 3 bracket closed times 3 cubed plus 5. So what is first? Obviously PEMDAS parenthesis first. Finish the bracket. What is 105 divided by 3? That is equal to 35. 3 3s are 9, 1, 15, 3 5s are 15. Times 3 cubed plus 5. Now you have to do the exponents next, not the multiplication. PEMDAS. So exponent next in the order. After brackets, exponent. So what is 3 cubed? 3 cubed is 27. So 35 times 27 plus 5. Now what next? Obviously multiplication. 35 times 27 giving us 945. Now final operation, the final step, adding 945 plus 5, 950. That's all. So this is the final answer for this particular question. So I hope the video was helpful to you. If so, kindly share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time. Take care. Stay safe.